Good morning, Liberty Wildcats. Thank you for getting quiet so quickly. We're going to be a little bit flexible today. My friends are here to lead us in the morning assembly. Fifth grade, would you please stand up? Fourth grade? Third grade? Second? First? And kindergarten.
Good morning. My name is Caleb. Please join me in saying the American flag salute. Attention, salute flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning. My name is Ponca. Please join me in saying the Oklahoma flag salute. Attention, salute pledge.
I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people.
Good morning. My name is Connor. Please join me in saying the patriotic song, Your Grand Our Flag. Good morning, my name is Melanie. Please join me in saying the Liberty School Creed.
I am a Liberty Elementary student. I show integrity. I do the right thing even when no one is watching. I am respectful. I show honor and consideration to others, myself, and my school. I think first. I think before I act and speak. My mistakes are behind me, and my successes are before me. Today I have the courage to be the best I can be. Taking one step at a time until you reach your goal.
Thank you. Good morning. My name is Montreal. The quote of the week is, every accomplishment starts with a decision to try. Please repeat after me. Every accomplishment starts with a decision to try.
Start to make a decision to try.
Thank you. Here's Mr. Frencher.
Good morning, Liberty Wildcats. Oh, it's Friday, and I know that we've got more energy and we're ready for the day. Let's try that again. Good morning, Liberty Wildcats. That's our Liberty Wildcats. Okay, it's Friday. We're ready for a great day. I know our teachers are ready for the Friday. Teachers, do we have any announcements or celebrations? Oh, I see one.
I have some friends that are moving along in ST Math, and I would like to celebrate these friends. If you hear your name, please stand quiet. Emery, Kathleen, Blake, Grayson, and Michael. Working. Let's Celebrate these friends with a fantastic. Fantastic.
I have some math friends to celebrate as well. Two of them are not here, but one is. So Jackson, please stand up. Jackson completed his first step towards that second grade goal of fluency yesterday, so he's going to get a new fluency sheet today. Let's give him a your grade.
Your grade.
Thank you.
So we have still been working on our math masters, and I need Cortez to please stand. He mastered level 3 subtraction this week. So let's give him the You Sparkle, You Shine.
You sparkle, you shine, you do it all the time. I'm going to celebrate my class because we got 10 whole class watches for doing so much teamwork, and we got to go out back. We were going to meet Miss Brown's 5th graders because they help us learn our sight words all the time. So we were going to have a meetup, and when we got out there, we also got to meet up with 3rd grade because they were celebrating getting their testing done. And that, I'm going to tell you what, was the best time. We got to see neighbors and friends and brothers and sisters and play together, and it was free and fun. So if your class would look for a fun way to spend a whole class watcha, I think a recess date might be the way to go. It was a good time. 1st grade, stand silent so we can celebrate you. Let's give them the roller coaster. Ready? Sit silent. I hope you guys get a recess date sometime.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. I know we had a lot of good things going on in the building yesterday, as evidenced by our celebrations. And I know we had a lot of kids working hard with testing. If you guys tested yesterday, raise your hand. Awesome. We got a lot of kids in here that are working hard, and I appreciate that. What we ask from you is follow the directions, work hard, and do your very best. And I know each one of you are doing that. I'm thankful for that. Okay, do we have anything else? Any other announcements or celebrations? Okay, it's going to be an awesome Friday. Teachers, if you need anything, let us know. Students, follow the rules and the procedures of the building. Work hard on your testing, and have a great day, okay? Let's have a moment of silence, and we're going to go be great. Okay, you guys have a great Friday.